What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. You back with your boy Rafe Pro, and we back live with you. Yeah, so we got another jam-packed video. You know, we all about the financing and investing, and we just out here searching and seeking, trying to find what's going on in these markets, man. So today in this video, we're gonna jump right into a gem that we pulled at the hat on them, and a lot of people sleeping on this. So make sure you put your thinking caps on, you grab your drinks and your popcorn, and you dwell in with us right quick. So today we're gonna jump into the world of silver investing. Yeah. We're gonna explore the differences between investing in a physical silver bullion and a popular silver ETF. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video will help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. So we're gonna switch over here. So as you can see on the screen right here, we have some physical silver bullion bars and some coins. So right here we got a 5 troy ounce 0.995 fine silver bar, and we got a Canadian fine silver 1 ounce coin. And as you can see up here, we have our gold prices, we have our silver price, and we have our platinum price, and we have our palladium price, if I'm saying it right. So right now we're focused on the silver price, and right now it's $31.19. It's down about 0.36, and that's about 1.3%, about 1%, 13% down. So first we're gonna talk about silver bullion, and again, once again, these are silver bullions. Bullions is gold bars, silver bars, gold coins, silver coins. And when you say bullion, we're referring to a physical silver in form of bars and coins. So investing in bullion means you own actual tangible silver. This has been a trusted store of value for centuries, all the way back to the ancient days, biblical days. Yeah, and these silver bars, they're reverbed for its beauty and rarity. And it says is a precious metal for collectors and a wise investment choice for those looking to diversify their portfolio. Understanding the basic of investing in silver is crucial for anyone interested in entering the silver market. Silver offers a more affordable alternative to investing in gold while providing many of the same benefits, such as hedging against inflation and offering a tangible asset you can stack. So that's one of the lingos they call stacking silver. And then the question is silver a good investment? Silver is a worthwhile investment for diversifying your portfolio and hedging against inflation. It is a lower price than gold, making it's lower price than gold, making it more accessible, and is used for a lot of industrial purposes. A lot of things that we have is, pieces of silver, fine silver, where they use silver and then they cut it down a little bit. So fine china, things like that. And like any investment, silver comes with risk. Yeah, so do not sleep on the silver hustle. One of the main advantages of silver bullion it is because it's got a physical presence. You can hold it, you can store it, and it's yours basically. It's not really like a ETF where it's in your portfolio and if it just goes out, it goes out. But this right here is something you can have in your possession, and it particularly is appealing during times of economic uncertainty or inflation like the times that we in right now. So silver has historically maintained its value, and as we're gonna look further into some charts and stuff a little bit later in the video, and we're gonna show you uh some of its price actions and stuff like that. And then there's different forms of silver investments. We got bullion coins, bars, and rounds. So always make sure you do your information. And we're on Learn Apex. We also have another sdbullion.com is where you actually can buy silver as well. So right here we got precious metals, and then there's spot prices. So you gotta basically make sure you pay attention with these spot prices. So they're basically charging you like an interest rate on it basically. So let's see. So actually for this, see, this 1 ounce coin right here is as low as $54.97. But you can see right here the silver price is $30.98. So it's like it's, we'll do some math. It's $54.97. Always have your handy dandy calculator ready, and then the price right now is $30.98. So that's a $23.99 upsell for this 1 ounce coin. So you got to be careful when you're purchasing this stuff, you know what I'm saying? And you got to ask yourself, is it worth it? And you just have to go through here and find the best deals for you. And and some more tips basically. However, owning physical silver comes with some challenges. You need a secure place to store it, and there can be costs associated with storage and insurance. That's if you got a lot of value of silver, if you live in a safe neighborhood. But for the most part, I really wouldn't worry too much about securing it. Basically you don't want to get it damaged or stuff like that. So that's one thing you would have to look into, is where you're going to store it at. Additionally, buying and selling bullion might involve premiums and fees, which can affect your overall investment return. So as we looking right here, the price of gold is $2,351.15. And we got this 2024 1 ounce Canadian maple leaf coin. And the prices, so if you look at it right here, to buy 1 through 4 coins is $2,407.94. So it's a premium, it's a fee attached to this. So you always got to keep that in mind when doing this. But as you can see, times emerge. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna look at this right here. We're gonna go over here to Google Finance, and as you can see, we got iShares, the Silver Trust, which is ticker symbol SLV. And as you can look out, we got the chart set up. We're about 6 months out, and as you can see, it's up 22.87%, which is it's up $5.29. Back December 1st, 2023, the price of silver was trading for $23.33, and it has peaked up to a range to about $31 right now. That's the actual physical silver, but right now the price of silver is $28.42 with the ETF. So there's a little bit of price fluctuation in that one. So, and one of the biggest advantages of SLV is its liquidity. You can buy and sell shares just like a stock, which makes it convenient and accessible. There's no need to worry about storage or insurance, and transaction costs are typically lower compared to buying actual physical silver. As you can see, if we just jump back over here on the SD Bullion webpage, you know what I'm saying? And they be having certain sales where you can get, a special one time we sign up. So you might can capitalize on that. You can just buy a coin just to kind of, see how it feels, and just to, have an experience of owning some precious metals. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people think this stuff is foreign, precious metals, but right here you can get a hold to some platinum, silver, gold. Especially if you know how to mint gold, you can melt gold down. I seen people melt gold down and make, chains, make all different type of items and utensils and stuff like that. So always make sure you're searching wisely when you're out here wealth building, looking for assets, different kind of assets, diversifying your portfolios and stuff like that. And another benefit of the SLV ETF is that it can easily be integrated into a diversified investment portfolio. It's a great way to gain exposure to silver without the logistical challenges of owning a physical silver bar, which they call it Bullion. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta ask yourself. We're gonna jump right back over here, and if you, some people say, well, they like gold more than silver. They also got the gold trust, which is GLD, SPDR gold trust. And this right here, let's see, we'll go out to the 6-month chart. It's about 14.74% up, which is $27.82. Which silver, is up a little bit more in the 6-month range. We'll go to the year range. Gold is up 13.55%. And we'll jump back over here to the silver shares. And over the last year, silver is up 31.27%. Yeah. So, just looking at a little bit of some of these, some resources that we got right here. Factors that affect the price of silver. The price of silver is influenced by a complex interplay of global factors, making it essential for investors to understand what drives these changes. Some of the following key points, factors that significantly impact the price of silver are economic conditions, industrial demand, currency fluctuations, the supply and mining of silver, interest rates, geopolitical events, investment trends, things like that. So always remember, both silver bullion and SLV have their pros and cons. So the question is, which option is better for you? It really depends on your investment goals and preferences. If you value having a tangible asset and are willing to deal with the storage and insurance, silver bullion, silver bars, silver coins, silver rounds might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you prefer liquidity, convenience, and lower transaction costs, SLV could be a better fit. So you can just go in, log in, buy and sell just as you would a stock. And there. So make sure you go to our channel, the Rafe Pro channel right here on YouTube. And we have helpful financial videos, everyday financial questions we help people answer. We always researching and looking for all kinds of investment plays, storing up assets, building wealth for the your generations to come, or if you just got what I'm gonna call it, you got a drive for just gaming. You might like to go to the casino, but you say you go to the casino, really never win no money. So building these assets, these crypto assets, these stock market assets, these physical assets like gold and silver can be a very beneficial thing to when you are out here trying to build wealth out here. So never forget that when it comes to investing, there's many different avenues that you can go down to, that you can, jump in and try to see what you can, make out of yourself, or make out of, because the world is just, it's just about living and reaping the benefits of what we're doing. And there's many things that you can do on the side of your 9-to-5 job, or your hobbies, or whatever you got going. So always, keep our channel in mind. And we thank you guys for interacting and watching. So if you found any of these information in our videos helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, comment below. You know what I'm saying? You live with your guy Rafe. In this channel you can find financial tips and investment insights. Yeah. So always we keep our motto. We try to teach people to live up to their highest potential in life. And make sure you check out our future videos coming up. And until then, stay savvy and invest smart. Peace.